Hello everyone, I'm Henry. I want to give you a quick update about the channel. Recently, my main channel went through a monetization issue. I followed the appeal process recommended by YouTube, and I also spent time speaking with YouTube creator support to better understand the situation. However, the result did not change. The hardest part is that I still don't clearly know what the exact problem is, or where it mainly comes from. Because of that, I don't think it makes sense to keep uploading in the same way, without stopping to rethink the direction more carefully. So for now, uploads on this main channel will become less frequent. This is not because I want to give up. It is because I need to slow down, reassess the channel, and change my strategy in a more thoughtful way. I may not have all the answers yet, but I'm not letting this stop me from moving forward. Looking back, I also realized that this channel has become too broad in terms of content direction. So moving forward, I want to be more focused. At the same time, I will be putting more of my energy into a new project, Glitch Hero. This is a story-driven series I have been developing around a character with changing powers, unexpected glitches, and a strong desire to help people even in difficult situations. I want to spend more time building this world properly and making the content stronger and more consistent. So if you notice that this main channel updates more slowly, that is the reason. I'm not disappearing, and I'm not giving up. I'm just changing direction and trying to build something better. If you are interested in Glitch Hero, I would really appreciate your support on the new channel as well. Thank you for being here, and thank you for your patience.